Yo, what's popping game, welcome back to First Hand Effects, Home of Blues. And if this is the first time you're watching this video, or if it's the first time you've just come across this channel, then guys, please stick around and you're welcome, man. So, this channel is lit and we only talk about Forex trading and Forex trading in depth, guys. So, maybe you should stick around, guys, and if you find this video, maybe if it's educative to you, then at the end of the video then smash that subscribe button. But before that, stick around. So today I'm going to show you the strategy that I used that gave me over 500 pips within a day. All right, so that's crazy, just taking 2 trades, and then the results were crazy. Results have been crazy. So first things first, I'll start with the analysis, guys. So number one, we had this GBP against the NZD, right? So I will start with the analysis. Let me first rewind and tell you how, or I'll show you how this price was behaving, either way. All right, so let's begin. So now this is what was happening. As you can see, either way, this is what I saw. I saw that price was in an uptrend, guys. Price was in an uptrend, right? Price was in an uptrend. Okay, but then we had this correction either way. All right, I can call it a correction because generally we are still in an uptrend. All right, but maybe other people will say that this now price is in a downtrend rather. Okay, let me put that. Okay, so this is how I did this analysis, guys. This is how I did this analysis. So after that, I just had to understand what was going on. We saw that price in an uptrend, but then this was happening. This is correction, but still in a downtrend. So we had a new lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. But then we had something. The previous zone had a certain support over here. Okay, so that was my target, and I believe that when price touched that zone, I was expecting a bounce off. Okay, so this is what I did. I just wanted, before, let me just rewind everything a little more. Okay, all right, so this is how price is looking at. So I had just to wait for this to happen, since I believe I saw that price was in an uptrend, so I was just waiting for this pullback, right? Or then wait for price to go up, come down, then show me some rejections before going up, right? So either way, if you can see, this is now a double bottom, right? We have the first bottom and the second bottom. So this is the neckline. Then this should be the take profit, right? That is the last take profit either way. But then I did not want to hold the trade anymore. I just wanted to get out around hit this zone. That is the neckline. So I just had to wait for that to happen. I was just waiting to see the double bottom form, and let's now hit that replay tool. All right, so that just happened. Then price went up, right? So all this while I was not I did not take that buy because I was just waiting for another pullback, because like I said, I just wanted that push price to go up. So now I was just waiting for a pullback to this zone to retest this previous support, maybe to prove that maybe that support is strong, to see if price can hold that. After that, I just needed some candlestick rejection over here. Then now a bullish Marubozu candlestick before taking that buy entry. So let's go. So for now, still waiting for that to happen. All right, so price came down. All right, then now I brought in my Fibonacci tool. Then now place it from this zone, from the lowest point up to that highest point. Okay, so all this while I just waited for price to come back to my 100 zone. Okay, because that's always golden for me. Okay, sometimes price always reject the 78 then go up. So but in mind, I just wanted to see price come down to this 100 zone of the Fibonacci tool, and maybe some rejection before you go up. So for now, it was just a matter of being patient. Okay, boom. So price broke that, but then either way, I was still in my bias because I just wanted to buy this. So still watching out for now. No entry. Now I started seeing how the candlesticks were behaving. Okay, so like I say, I was waiting for a pullback and see some candlestick rejection before taking that buy entry. So that was happening. Okay, all this while. All right, so you can see that some rejection is now happening. Okay, this is the 4-hour time frame. Okay, right. Okay, boom. See, price still hunting for stop loss. So the other way, now we were triggered in. Okay, so when I went to my lower time frame, I wanted to see what price was doing to the lower time frame. Let me remove this now, Fibonacci either way. Okay, and then let me remove this. Right. Okay, so now I can see that there was this great rejection candlestick. Okay, with that, then I saw this engulfing candlestick that way, but then with this there are so many bulls to indicate that now maybe it's time to take that buy entry. Okay, so let me draw something over here. We had a certain resistance over here. Okay, so either way, when price breaks that resistance, now that was another indication that the bulls are in. Okay, so that just happened. Okay, so that just happened, right? So you can see price trying to give us a new high. This is a new high. Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, just like that. So price has started changing direction. Okay, right? Either way, nice. So we can say maybe there's also another new high. I mean higher low over here. So that zone should be golden too. All right, so I still held my position either way. Then this happened, price continue going up. Now that was now when price started taking off. Right, now let's see, this was the first take profit. Actually, this zone was the first take profit, guys. Let me draw that. This was, oh sorry guys, let me use this to be clean. Okay, that should be the first take profit. So either way, if you look at this properly, we can see another double bottom, guys. Okay, those are now the confluence, the added confluence for taking that buy entry. So let's go. Price continue going up, then boom, that was what's up. So that was overnight, guys. That was overnight. It was not even news. Price just went up. I believe now the big boys now took their position. Now I just was riding the wave with the big boys. All right. So that just happened, guys. Price just went up, shot all the way up, hitting my first take profit and the second take profit. That 370 pips, guys. Overnight, I believe it was around 3 a.m. Yeah, that was 3 a.m. when price hit my take profit. So currently, that is what's happening. Because now I'm out, of course. Okay. And let me show you that I did call out that signal in my Telegram group. Okay. All right. So is it okay? We had the same story. All right. Here we go. This is the GBP NZD that I'm talking about, right? That just happened. That just happened, guys. So that's how the channel is lit either way. So right, here we go. This is it, the GBP NZD. All right, here we go. That just happened. So I call out that signal, and I believe my community was eating. So maybe check out the Telegram channel signal, the link description below. And then also I had this NZD Swiss franc, guys. I had this NZD Swiss franc. This was another beautiful one, guys. Took me, I believe, 2 days, right? 2 days to ride this wave. The same happened overnight. Just one candlestick, boom, right? So I will explain this. This is how the market was looking like. When I found this is how the market was looking like. So I went to the daily, guys. I went to the daily to see my position, to see what was happening. Okay. So for now, I saw that price had broken a certain zone over here. Price was, price broke that support, right? So now the same strategy that I just used, guys. I usually wait for price. Let me draw that. Let me draw that for you to understand. Now let's say generally I've seen that the trend is in a downtrend. Okay, so this is what I was waiting for. Like, this is how I usually take my sell entry. So price broke this zone. All right, so when price broke that zone, all I wanted to see is a retest to that previous zone. Okay, then I needed the price to push down a little more, then come back, then show me some rejection to this zone, then some engulfing candlestick, then now take that sell entry. As you can see, that's a very beautiful double top, guys. That's a very beautiful double top. Okay, right, that's how I usually take my trade. So that is just what I saw over here. So price broke this zone, right? Then price went up, and then as you can see, price came down, guys. So when I saw that this just happened, all right, so I knew that, okay, that is what my strategy is all about. So that is just what I've been waiting for. So now all I was waiting for is just a rejection before taking that sell entry. Okay, then this should have been my first take profit, which is now the neckline. Okay, so now let me remove this. So currently this is the daily. I can see that the previous candlestick has already been rejected. Okay, so right, so let me just play it a little more. Just one, give me one. Okay, so that just happened. So now, how did I take that entry, guys? I had to make sure that my 1 hour and the 15 minutes time frame gave me more confidence. I needed price to create new lows and new lower high. Okay, so now the 15 minute, this is what I saw, guys. So I saw that price started forming new lower low, then now this is a new lower high. Right, guys, so I said, either way, let me go to the lower time frame and see what's happening before taking that entry. It has to give me new lows too. Right, so when I went to the lower time frame, that is the 15 minutes, price was giving me new lower low and new lower high, guys. So look at this, price gave me the first lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So the reason why I had this resistance line drawn is because I was seeing that price was respecting that zone. So I took that sell entry. Either way, I say that I'm late, but then generally I know what price wants to do or what price was trying to do. So but then first thing, I wanted to take that sell entry over here, then make my stop loss a bit somehow over there. But then I said, okay, price might still come up and then take me out, then go to my direction. So I just wanted to give it more room to breathe or to play out. So I just had to make my stop loss the previous high over here, which was around 41 pips, guys. So let's see how it played out, right? So all this while, this is what was happening. I remember today is Wednesday. So I took the trade on Wednesday, guys. On Monday, on Monday evening, right? So when Tuesday came, that is yesterday, price just moved to my direction, just 13 pips, guys, right? Yesterday, price only gave me 13 pips, nothing happened. But then I was still holding my position. Now that is when we say patience pays, guys, right? So all this is what was happening. But then either way, boom, now price respected this one. So when this was happening, I went to the 1 hour and see what's just happening and understand what price is doing. Alright, so that was very clear, guys. Look at this, price just created a new lower low over here, and now price has gone to give us a new low high. So what I was anticipating was for price to come down, go up just like that until we reach down. Actually, that was my anticipation. Now if you can see, that's what's happening. So this happened, boom, that was another candlestick, great one, right? So that just happened. I believe that was Tuesday, yesterday, right? So this is what was just happening. Then I believe it went up just 13 pips, guys, 13 pips. All right, you can see now when night came yesterday, when night came, I was back to break even. This is just what happened. Look at this, from now my entry until what price just happened. Yeah, you see, like I say, guys, that was around 13 pips. That's right. Okay, so when this was happening, I really was how can I say this, I was really patient and I was understanding what price is trying to do. It's just trying to give us a new lower highs, guys. All right, so I was just watching out. All right, so that just happened, went up, down. Okay, so you can see that is just what I drew here. I was understanding that all this while price is trying to give us new lower high and new lower low. So patience, guys. Then night came, 12 I believe, then I went to sleep. Then boom, when I woke up, that is just happened. The big boys came in, guys. The big boys came in. The big boys came in, gang. All right, and that my first take profit was hit, guys. The first take profit was hit. So this was a swing, guys. This should be the last take profit. So that is what's happening. All right. So price, this is what's happening. So that's the current market, guys. All right. So price just pushed all the way up, guys. Now that's the beautiful part of trading with the big boys. That's around 114 pips. And if you can see, I gave out that signal on Monday, I believe. Look at this. Yeah, guys, it was 10:16 p.m. All right. This is the NZD against the Swiss franc. This is how it was looking like. All right. So I gave out that signal, guys. All right. Then what did I tell this my community? I told them to manage their risk on this trade and hold it. It was a swing, guys. Look at it. So that was nice one. But then when I woke up, look at this. Yeah, that was 3:50 p.m. 3:50. Yeah, this was still yesterday. This is how price was playing out. As you can see, I was still up $140, guys. That's the NZD Swiss franc. Okay, and then boom, look at this. Just what happened? Price just went down to my direction, guys. That was amazing. Okay, trading with the big boys, right? Look at this. This is how I was lit. $967. Okay, of course I was in a losing streak, guys, but then this single trade got me back to the game, guys. That was so amazing. Okay, we had also the GBP NZD that gave me 366 pips, guys. So that was great, guys. With that simple strategy, okay, that was the easy strategy, guys. Just break and retest. But now I also taught you about how do you say, I've taught you about entry. Okay, so maybe I should give you an example either way on how that works. Okay, how that works. It's just one example. Okay, so now we just have to, maybe you've just woken up and this is what price is trying to do, guys. Okay, you just have to look out for the lows and the previous highs. Okay, so this is the zone, guys. This is the zone. You can see that's a strong support. Price has played out in that zone. So maybe what you should be doing is just to wait and see what price will do, either to break it or rather to bounce off this zone. Okay, so those are the things that should be on your mind, guys. So let's see. Okay, nice one. So now I just want price to go down a little more. Okay, just go down a little more, for great entries. So now I can say price is still playing out in that zone. Nothing much. I'm not taking that entry. Now that's great. So now that's nice. So I'll just wait for a pullback before now going in for my buys. I mean for sales. Because now price has broken that zone. So now I just want to see what price trying to or will do this level. Okay, boom. Whoa, I just missed that. Okay, did I miss that? Either way, went up. Let's see. I usually wait for price to break, go up, come back a little more, go up before we take that sale. Okay, so let's see. Yep. Oh wait, that's nice. So that just happened, right? So I believe now we have not taken that entry. So let's see if price will start to form new structures. Okay, nothing much. Okay, wait. Okay, I've seen something either way. So now let's see price. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Maybe That was the 4 hours. Okay, that's nice, that's nice. So now this should have been our targeted zone, this zone over here. This zone over here. Ah, come on, I really wanted this one. Okay, so let's see. I was supposed to take that sell end, sell entry earlier enough. Okay, so now we can see price is giving us some the double top that I was talking about. We had this first top, neckline, second top, so some great candlestick before we go down. So now if you can see that properly, that's a new lower high, lower low, lower high. So let's see if we took that sell now. Okay, let's see. Okay, 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 that's smashed, guys. That's just smashed. All right, smashed, gang. That's smashed. Okay, either way. Okay, that's great, that's great, that's great. So that's just easy. So another 102 pips, so easy. Right, so just react to what the market is doing, guys. Okay, but you don't have to be greedy. That just happened. Okay, so that's another easy way to enter the market, guys. Okay, and yeah, so let's see. Of course, that's the first target. Then we have also this zone over here that I believe price will sometimes come to retest that zone. Okay, so this should have been the zone. Then let's see what's happening. Okay, okay. Oh, all right, it just happened. It was here, it was there, it was there. Okay, okay, let's go. Okay, then price went up. Now that's nice. Either way, guys, we also have this. Remember, this was also a support now. Okay, so now you just had to look for your position. Okay, but then I would have not taken that trade here because of this break. So I could have not trusted that. So I was just maybe wait for price to break this zone, and yeah, it broke that zone. Okay, and then price once again broke this zone. Okay, which is great, which is great, which is great. All right, so let's see. Then that happened, price went back for a retest, came down with that our strategy, and boom, guys, that's just what happened. So easier. All right, so if you can see also, we had that previous zone, the support over here that now price is at currently. So that's another easy way to approach the market, guys. Okay, so we also, if you now for the trend line draw, so let me see. Yeah, for those who follow trend lines, you can see that was clean. That was a clean trend line, guys. So right, that was a clean trend line. Price came, respected the resistance, then now went down. All right, okay, so guys, I believe that's all. I believe you learned something, guys, and if you have any question, feel free to drop in the comment box below, or rather you can reach me out. I have a link in the description box below where you can get me easily, guys. And also check out the Telegram channel that I've talked about, that I usually send free signals, guys. I don't ask for any payment. I usually don't ask for any payment. Everything is free. All right, so that's nice, that's nice, guys. So maybe if you learn something, smash now. This is the time to smash that subscribe button, guys, and I will appreciate also. Okay, we have I have some market that are still on my watch list that I'm waiting for to play out. Like you can see my strategy, the price just broke this zone, right, but then has not retested this zone. So that's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that pullback right now for a retest on this zone, maybe then go up a little more, show me some rejection before going up. Just easy. That's how I take the entries. All right, so that should be maybe, let me see, if you take that entry up to this zone, that should be maybe 180 pips. Okay, then I also have one on the USD Swiss franc. Okay, so USD Swiss franc, let me see, this was happening either way, just the same way I took that NZD and Swiss franc and the GBP NZD, same structures. You can see price has broken that support over here, and then now it's gone back for a pullback. Then price went down to give me a new low over here, now up. Now it's just a matter of time before I see some rejection and then ride this wave all the way down. As you can see, that's another beautiful double top, right? So that's easy, guys, that's easy. So still I've not taken this entry, I'm just waiting for that to happen. And also I have to see lower time frame. The 1 hour and the 15 have already started showing me downtrend, lower low and lower high. Okay, so that's easy. All right, I believe that's all, gang. Let me see, Euro GBP. All right, this is Euro GBP. That's also in my watch list. I can see price is also consolidating. Price just broke that support, and now started consolidating on this zone. So I just want price to break out from this zone, go up, come down a little more, then go up, show me some rejection before taking that sell entry all the way to this zone. So that's the way, guys. That's the easy way, right? Okay, so guys, I believe that's all. And like I said before, if this is the first time you're watching this video or you came across this channel, then now please smash that subscribe button, right? Because that's how we do it, the easy way. We just don't take trade anyhow. We just be patient and wait for your setup to play out, all right? Or rather, we say wait for trade, or your wait for trade to come to you. You just don't take the trades, right? Okay, guys, so I believe that's all, guys. Until next time, gang. Until next time. So smash the subscribe button, guys. Adios, amigos.